Hello everyone, my name is Bing, and I'm another one from the Evolutionary Computation Research Group at the Victoria University of Wellington, and presenting our work also on behalf of Professor Meng Jiezhang Meng, who is the founder and also the leader of this research group. And yes, the major research directions working within the group and with collaboration outside the research group within our school and within our university. But I'm mainly talking about evolutionary machine learning, which using evolutionary computation to achieve machine learning, which is one of the 5 types of major machine learning topics. And one of the key algorithms is called genetic programming, and which Chi has already presented earlier, and some other major research topics on evolutionary machine learning. The areas, and I'm sure you have heard or you're very familiar with those topics. And in terms of the AI area, this is what we are doing. We're doing classification, supervised learning, including classification, regression, and so classification also including various different classification tasks. So binary classification, a multi-class classification, or multi-label classification, and regression, a symbolic regression, and also unsupervised learning, including clustering or other type of unsupervised learning that Andrew has presented earlier. And also reinforcement learning, image analysis, and also text mining that Sharon has presented. In terms of the application areas, we have been working on tasks such as biology or biomedical tasks, and also one of the tasks including like skin cancer image classification or breast cancer scan image classification. We're also working on a number of tasks within to handle missing data problem that appear in many different domains. And also cybersecurity and agriculture. Also, we recently have a data science project started last year working on agriculture, for example, fish species identification. And genetic programming, so one of the key ideas is it has a tree-based model that is very flexible and have a symbolic nature, and also it can be explainable model. So the work we have been done here, so this is a graph showing basically from the genetic programming bibliography from the database. So the size of the points, 1 point represents a person, a researcher in the community in the world, and the size including the contribution to the field. And so the largest dot here, which is actually with the name of Meng. So Meng's name there, but he said he always claimed that's not only his work, it's a research group's work. So that is ECRG at Victoria University of Wellington. And you will be able to see many dots. I believe that around 10 dots in this figure are actually in this room, so including those ones. So our work on image and computer vision, so including mostly image classification of various domains, and also edge detection and salient object detection and various other tasks. And transfer learning, that is, we can transfer knowledge from one domain to another domain. We learn how to cycling, and we also can use that knowledge to learn how to motorcycle, and also simultaneously solving multiple tasks. That's multitask learning or multitask optimization. And also, so there's a lot of trade-offs in most of the tasks we're handling. For example, you got more profit, you have more higher risk. And here we have trade-off between model accuracy and complexity or interpretability, and we are trying to find a set of different solutions with a trade-off between different research or different objectives. And feature selection and big dimensionality reduction that has been appearing in many talks today, and we have been doing various types of methods that with a different trade-off in different objectives of the performance metric. So the work we have been done here, so in the IEEE Transaction on Evolution Computation journal, our paper has always been the top, most popular paper. As a paper published in 2016, have already over 800 citations. Evolutionary deep learning and different types of deep learning models. And our work has been that whole paper, so top 0.1% highly cited, or 1% highly cited over the year. And our research group, so some of them here, and some will be work presented in the poster session. And also our research grant, the recent research grant we have, and also we are recruiting postdocs and PhD students. Last but not least, we are organizing a special issue in the Journal of Real Society New Zealand, Artificial Intelligence Applications and Innovations, with myself, Mon, and Richard. So Richard, this morning will talk. So the deadline for submitting the EOI is 15th of May. Please send us your work. So that is what we have been doing. So it's all from me, and thank